Hello students, myself Gitanjali Yadav. In this video, we will discuss about evolution of money. Before the evolution of money, barter system was there. Barter system it means method of exchanging goods and services without using money. In the simple words, exchange of goods for another goods. Evolution of money. So, after the evolution of money, development of the human society, technology, and economy. Money. Money is anything which is used as medium of exchange. It means money is generally acceptable as a medium of exchange and at the same time act as a measure and store of value. It means through the money we can buy, purchase, or sell anything. Now we will see different stages of evolution of money. First, animal money. Second, commodity money. Third, metallic money. Fourth, metallic coins. Fifth, paper money. Sixth, credit money. Seventh, plastic money. Eighth, electronic money. These are the different stages of evolution of money. So now we will see one by one. First, animal money. Basically, animal money was used in a prehistoric period. Animal money used as a means of the exchange. For example, like the cow, sheep, goat, etc. These are the used as a medium of exchange. But due to the sum of the invisible nature, commodity money came into the exist. Commodity money. Commodity money used as a medium of exchange in the olden days. It depend upon the climatic condition and the culture. In the commodity money use for example like the animal skin, grains, shells, feather, rare articles and stone were used as a medium of exchange. But in a commodity money, due to some problem of a storage of such a commodities, metallic coins are the rays came into the existence. Metallic money. So what is the metallic money? Metallic money refers to coins that are made from the metals and used as a currency. The metallic coins consist of silver, gold, aluminium, nickel, etc. It means, for example, it but because of their the precious metals and lack of the uniformity in metallic prices gave rise to the use of metallic coins. Metallic coins are made from the metals like gold, silver, bronze, nickel that are used in a form of the market. In ancient time, rules of the variation kingdom used small pieces of the metals and affixed their seal of them. Coins in the metallic coins are classified is under two types are there standard coins and token coins. So what is a standard coins? Standard coins face value are equal to the intrinsic value. It means standard coins are made from the gold, silver, etc. In other words, value of the metals used to take the coins the same as a coin's face value. The standard coins is also known as the face value. For example, like 5 rupees coin is made of metal that is worth rupees 5. Then it is a standard coins. So standard coins were used in some of the days during the British period. It means simple. Standard coins are used in the British period. Now we will see the token coins. What is a token coins? Token coins are those whose face value is higher than their the intrinsic value. These coins are made of cheaper metals like the aluminum, nickel, etc. These coins are lower denomination and generally used in settling the smaller transaction. In India, all coins in circulation today are token coins. But difficulties in transaction of token coins gave rise to the paper money. Paper money. Paper money is substitute for metallic money. The paper money is also known as a banknotes. It's a type of the currency made from paper used as medium of exchange for goods and services. The paper currency issued by government and central bank of a country. In India, 1 rupees notes and all coins are issued by government in India, but currency notes issued by the central bank. So paper currency was introduced as a made of a payment. The inconvenience in handling and risks of the storing paper money gave rise to bank money or credit money. Bank money or credit money terms are used in economics and finance to describe the different forms of money in a banking system. Bank money refers to deposit which are in the form of the cash saved by the people. It is used to create the credit money. So this can be withdrawable and the transferable on demand by means like the check, demand draft, etc. Check, demand deposit are not the actual money, but these are the credit instrument through which deposit are the transferable. Credit money plays an important role in economic development. On the background of the global economy, cashless transactions gain importance, thereby giving rise to the plastic money. So, what is a plastic money? Plastic money is also known as the electronic money, refers to payment mechanism that is on the electronic fund transfer rather than a cash transaction. It means plastic money. It is easy to use in a transaction. For example, like the credit cards, debit cards, and the prepaid cards. So further, the evolution in smart transaction led to the introduction of the electronic money. So what is electronic money? Electronic money is also known as the e-money. It is a refer to as the form of the currency that is electronically stored in device such as the banking computer system. Money is a transfer electronically through a variety of means that is the mobile phones, tablet, smart cards, computer, etc. So digital wallets are also form of the store of electronic money. So overall conclusion, the evolution of money highlights its the transformation from the basic barter system to complex financial instrument driven by the need for the more efficient and the secure transaction from the use of the physical goods like the shares and cattle to metal coins, paper currency are the eventually to digital currency. Each stage of money development reflect advancement in a technology, commerce and the social needs. Thank you.